Okay guys, welcome back. Today we got another Corvette video. Cameron's out here with his 87 Corvette, and we're going to be doing what today?
We're going to be replacing the front wheel bearing on the driver's side.
So this is a bolt-in wheel bearing, so this is a thing that you could do at home with really no specialty tools.
This is an 87 with ABS, so this has the tone ring. It's a little bit different.
It's like a reluctor ring. Cool.
Huh?
Is it like a reluctor ring here or no?
Yeah, it's just, you have like a little sensor that reads the space between. Yeah, so first step, we're gonna go ahead and lift the car off the ground and take off the front tire.
Yep.
And then we'll go from there.
Okay guys, Cameron got the reel off and now got a 13/16 socket right there, and we're gonna remove these two bolts and that lower guy way down there.
Then we can take off the caliper with the bracket, and then we'll take the disc off.
Yep.
So.
He did already crack them actually with a breaker bar, so you may need to use a larger tool than just like a standard 3/8 ratchet. Like, so we're gonna remove those. Okay, Cameron has removed the caliper and the rotor. The rotor just sits on there. There's no retaining screw or anything. It just sits on the studs. And now he's removing the 4 bolts that actually hold.
I guess it's actually a
hub in
nut and bolt.
Yep. So you can see.
I'm gonna crack them loose and then we'll grab another wrench.
There's another one. But those are 15s, and I'll just grab a 15 real quick. Okay, so there is a bracket on the back that holds on the ABS sensor. You can see it plugged in right there. So be mindful of that. Cameron just kind of bent it a little bit by wrenching on the bolt that holds it in, but it uses that top right one. So yeah. Okay, Cameron has removed the nut, so go ahead and pull that guy out, and it should come out pretty easy.
There is an O-ring right here. Careful of that. We're gonna leave that in.
You can see the seal, and you can see that reluctor ring, and you do not have to pull out the ABS sensor. It's non-interfering.
I'm not sure how we're gonna
bolts are gonna be a little tough. Wait, try to line up with the hole again. They don't fit.
Oh, there's this hole over here is a little bit bigger.
Oh yeah, it is. Definitely is. Okay, that one. Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, you just spin the hub so that the spindle like holes. Nice. That would be a pain in the booty. Also, there's these clips that came off of the bracket right there. So just be wary of those coming off. So now we can just maybe wipe that out and put the new paper towel.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so he just put those bolts in through the hole on the spindle face on the hub where all the studs go, and line them back up. It's super easy, and we did wipe out that aluminum the control, like the
knuckle.
The knuckle, yeah. So you're just putting the, oh wait, that's where the bracket goes.
Bracket actually goes on the back side.
Oh, okay, the bracket. Yeah, right. So and he also said this part was only $50 on Amazon. So we'll probably put that in the link in the description, or link in the description below.
I'm not sure what torque these go to, so we're just gonna go to pretty tight. So pretty easy job.
Yeah, they came off pretty easy, to be honest. Probably like what, 60 pounds?
Probably less than that.
Probably like 45.
Yeah.
We don't have a torque wrench with us, that's why we're not doing it. But usually in our videos we torque stuff to spec. I'm broke. Don't have a torque. No, I'll probably get one soon. Christmas or something. Okay guys, so we just finished up the repair. That was really easy. That took us literally 30 minutes with us filming. I mean, there wasn't much to film, but definitely recommend if you guys need a wheel bearing on your C4 Corvettes.
Super easy.
Do it yourself, because that was a very affordable part. Really easy to do at home. We just used some ratchets, some wrenches.
2 wrenches, a ratchet, a socket, and
Maybe
a jack stand.
Yeah,
It was
really easy job, and save yourself some shop labor money. Yeah, so thank you guys for checking out our video. We've got a couple of videos on Corvette, and please subscribe if you enjoyed it.